Good morning, everyone. This is your AI acronym individual giving you an avid a day, a verse a day from Isaiah chapter 1, verse 17. Learn to do good, seek justice, arrest oppressions, defend orphans, plead the case of widows. So, our topic is all about encouraging others. Some people need your encouragement more than others. For example, a friend who loves a relative in a tragic accident needs more encouragement than another friend who's depressed because she got a C on an English test. Isaiah chapter 1 verse 17 tells us to encourage the oppressed people who have lost parents or spouses or who are victims of injustice. The conflicts and circumstances may be difficult to handle, but they probably need your encouragement more than anyone else. When a friend is depressed and he comes to you and asking for a little talk, then give him the time to talk so that he can release that pain. You do not know with that by just listening, you were able to help that people. Remember, no man is an island. We need everybody. We need everybody as brothers and sisters. The mere fact that you listen to that situation of your fellow man and then he felt relief, wow, there's a great joy and relief that you gave to that person. God is testing us. If we are keep on encouraging others, the more God will be pleased to what we are doing. With that, we can say that you are giving positivity. If you can give a piece of advice on how to handle such situations in depression and in lowest part of his life, then do it. Do it. Do an act of kindness. It is not just material things. It can be through listening. You don't need to give him that money, but give him the time to listen, because through listening, by those he's going through, whatever he's going through, he will feel relief. And to God be the glory. As long as bago ko po gawin ang aking mga activities, I try to make it a point. I will give you a verse a day, words of encouragement. Thank you for my 149 subscribers na dagdagan na sila. Thank you, and kung napadaan po ang aking channel, pakipindot lang po ng notification bell. To God be the glory. Thanks, and magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Happy weekend sa ating lahat. God bless us all.